Asthma, allergies, diabetes, you likely have or know someone that has one of these diseases. I have two myself. These and countless other autoimmune diseases have rapidly increased over the past few decades. Why? Changes in the human microbiome.
The micro what?
The microbiome. Your microbiome consists of over 100 trillion microbes and is found on your skin and throughout your digestive tract. These bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and fungi have been with you since birth. You have 100 trillion friends that you didn't even know about.
Friend request denied.
Not so fast. Your first microbes come from mom during birth. Then in early life, you soak up these microbes like a sponge, acquiring them from family, pets, toys, and anything else you can get your tiny hands on. Exposure to a variety of microbial species in early life is essential for developing a healthy microbiome.
Who cares if you have a healthy microbiome?
Actually, the microbiome performs many important functions, most of which are carried out by the bacteria in your large intestine. These bacteria synthesize vitamins, digest and ferment food, produce serotonin, and create balance within the acquired immune system.
Can I just order one online?
Unfortunately, there's no one-day delivery with this one. Your acquired immune system is developed over time as you're exposed to more and more antigens. Think of your immune system like a security system. A good security system is able to properly identify and target threats. But our inner security systems have been hacked by changes in the microbiome. This compromised system is now suspicious of everything, causing it to target harmless antigens and even our own cells. Hang with me. Your immune system has T cells, T killers, T helpers, and T regulators, or Tregs. Upon finding an antigen in a cell, T helpers want to turn on the immune alarms, and T killers want to terminate the cell altogether. In a healthy immune system, they're balanced by Tregs, which evaluate whether or not the antigen is a threat and can turn off the immune response if necessary. But this balanced system has been thrown out of whack by changes in our gut bacteria.
How can bacteria change that?
Well, humans have co-evolved with microbes for hundreds of thousands of years, meaning that we have developed symbiotic relationships with our microbiota. These microbes elicit certain actions from our bodies that aid their survival and ours. But modernized lifestyles with chlorine-treated water, less exposure to animals, antimicrobial cleaning products, increased C-sections, and antibiotics have eliminated many species from our once diverse microbiomes. Like in any other biome, loss of keystone species can lead to ecosystem collapse. Some of the bacteria that we're losing, such as Clostridium, Streptococcus, and Bacteroides, are essential to our immune system as they induce the body to send out Tregs. Without these microbes, there are fewer Tregs, meaning that the T helpers and T killers are uncontrolled. This lack of control is what is leading to our autoimmune diseases. For example, T helpers are now targeting harmless antigens, like in allergies, and T killers are terminating healthy tissue cells, like in diabetes. Now that we know how the microbiome can contribute to autoimmune disease, the next step is learning how to use the microbiome to alleviate and cure them.